Welcome! Ever found yourself juggling multiple monitors and wishing there was a simpler way to keep track of your mouse's location? We've got something that's going to make your multi-monitor setup feel incredibly intuitive. Introducing the Black Box LED Monitor Identification Kit, designed to work seamlessly with your Freedom KVM switch. This kit is a game changer for anyone managing several displays. It allows you to connect up to 10 LEDs, giving each monitor a distinct visual cue. While the kit comes with 4 LEDs to get you started, you can easily expand your setup by purchasing additional LEDs. You can even see a quick video about those in our storefront. Imagine this: no more accidental clicks on the wrong screen, no more hunting for your cursor. With this identification kit, you'll always know exactly where your mouse is, no matter how many monitors you're using. Plus, you have the freedom to customize the LED colors to your preference, creating a personalized and efficient workspace. It's a must-have for anyone who values clarity and control in their digital environment.